So as it is, I don't really like this bold. Instead of bold here, let's say just light. I think this is better. Okay, let's refresh real quick. That's much better. Okay, very good. So the other thing we can do, of course, remember we're still inside of just a text, right? So if you click here, the text ends here. That means here we can still pass, say, a modifier if you wanted to, and say modifier padding. I want padding of about 6.dp. So all around it's going to be 6dp padding, right? Very good. So once we've done this, we've added the text, that first text here, still inside here. I can add a divider. Okay, and then I'm going to add another text. In this case, I'm just going to add director, and it's going to be movie director. Give a style. Caption as such. I'm going to copy that a few times over, and the next is going to be actors. Get actors, and then last one for now, we're going to pass rating, and we're going to get the rating as such. All right, let's see. You can click. Voila, you can see there is the plot. We have that divider there, and director, and so forth. So it's really, really nice. And of course, you can spend more time making it look more beautiful. But this looks really good. So what I can do also is give a little bit space of padding at the top there. So in our divider, if I hover over, let's put a modifier here. Say padding. Okay, much better. I like that. Okay, let's see if we can run this on a device or emulator. Okay, let's see. Click. Voila, it looks really good. And I can go to another movie, and it's looking really good. So what do we want to do next? Well, we're going to work on the details screen here. So as an exercise, I want you to see how can we then get all of the information about this movie. So when we click, we're getting the ID of the movie. So what you need to do, I'll give you a hint here, is to filter through the movie, this list of movie, get movies, filter through until you find something, until we find a movie from the list that contains that ID. Which ID? It's going to be this ID that we see, actually, that we see here. Because that's been passed onto the screen, so you can use the filter to filter through the list of movies to find this particular movie and then get the information about that movie. Go ahead and spend some time, try to figure that out, and I'll see you in the next video.